G'day, Shane here from Access Electrical again. Just going to do a real short video today on drilling into wood, but I wanted to do this one because I'm using a specific drill bit which I think everybody should know about. A lot of these old timber frame houses are jarrah, and it's old jarrah, so it's really hard wood. I've got an auger type drill bit which I've been using, and I wanted to just highlight these because if you're doing this sort of stuff, it is the best, it is the only way to go. This is purely from my experience of using the tool. Have a look at this video and you'll see what I mean. Check it out. The tip of this drill bit has a small auger right on the very tip, which pre-drills, if you like, the timber as it goes in, and then it actually pulls the drill bit through the timber, so you don't even really need to hold the drill. The drill bit does all the work for you. This saves a whole lot of effort, man. Try doing that with a spade bit.